Today we're going to talk about the area model and how it can be useful in multiplication. So area models are a lot like arrays, but instead of drawing each individual circle or square, you are just drawing the outside shape. So let's say I'm doing 5 times 4. I could draw 5 rows in here and 4 circles in each row. Now, of course, my rectangle doesn't fit because I was so messy, so I'm just going to do that and erase these parts. There we go. So using an array, I could count these and find the answer to 5 times 4. I can also label my sides, and now I have an area model, and I can erase this inside. So you'll notice with the area model, it's not really helpful for using the small numbers. So if you don't know that 5 times 4 equals 20, this model is not going to help you solve it. But it is going to help you show your thinking, or it can be applied in real life situations. You could also break it down using lines like this if you need to find the area. And then you could count the boxes if you needed to. What I love about the area model, is that you can multiply big numbers by only knowing your basic multiplication facts. So for example, let's say instead of multiplying 5 times 4, I wanted to multiply 25 times 6. You know what, 25 is too easy because we can think of quarters. So I'm going to say 27 times 6. If you know this fact, awesome. This model is not going to be super helpful for you. But if you're like me, this will be really helpful in quickly solving this problem. So I'm going to make my rectangle first, and I'm going to set the smaller side to be 6. Now these are not, these are just approximations. It's messy. Don't look for it to be all lined up correctly, because I'm going to go like this, and this is 20. Obviously 20 should be a lot longer than 6, but it's just my work, it's okay. And then my other part is 7, because 20 plus 7 equals 27. So you can see like that. And now I'm going to multiply each part together and write the answer in that part of the box, and then I can put them back together. So I take it apart and then put it back together. So 6 times 20 equals 120. I know that because 6 times 2 equals 12, and I don't have 2 1s, I have 2 10s. 20, 120. I'll make a video all about that later. Okay, then 6 times 7 equals 42. So like I said, this is only helpful if you know your basic multiplication facts, anything under 10. And then I can add 120 plus 42, and I get 162, which you can check with a calculator is the answer to 27 times 6. Let's do one more. I'll get my eraser later. Okay, let's say that I have 43 times 8. I'll draw my rectangle. Oh, I'm going to have to write on the bottom now because I've gone too close to the top. 8 is on the side. I have 40 and 3. Because 40 plus 3 equals 43. 8 times 4 equals 32, but not 32 1s, 32 10s, so I have to add a 0. And 8 times 3 equals 24. 320 plus 24 gives me a total of 344. I hope this was helpful in explaining how to use area models to solve bigger multiplication problems. You can use it to solve 2-digit times 2-digit as well. You would just have more boxes in the middle, or using 3 digits or 4 digits, however many digits you need. Thanks so much for watching.